Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change Instagram notification sound. Open your Instagram app. First, you need to go to your profile. Then, tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Next, you need to go to settings option in here. Then, click on this notification option. Now you can find this from Instagram option. So tap on it. Scroll down a bit and you need to click this additional option in system settings. Then click on this Instagram direct option and click on this advanced option. Here you can find this sound option. So tap on it to change notification sounds on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.